Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Actually, I don't know what comments are needed right now. So in the markets across the board, we expect the numbers that we will get later in this day. As you know, the Reuters poll suggests that the average expectation stands around 205,000 job created. This is the average expectation on the market. At the same time, guys, I think that non-farm payrolls release will be not as significant as usual because, you know, the non-farm is important when Fed already have specified its policy, and we need non-farm numbers to get confidence that this policy that has been announced already is still valid, is that Fed will follow it. So that's important. That's why market usually reacts in this manner. When Fed for example, in the last meeting, if Fed said that they will continue to follow its strategy that already has been announced, then non-farm numbers has really special important meaning. But as soon as Yellen already have put the dovish comments on the market, is it really non-farm payrolls will be very important? So previously, on the previous 3 times or even greater, the non-farms also were positive. Why they haven't supported the previous policy? Why Fed was needed to turn to the dovish road? This is the major question. And if this has happened on the positive non-farms, why non-farm will be important again if even they will be positive? What the impact they will have on the Fed policy? So that's, as you understand, this is the major question. That's why I suspect that the impact of the non-farm payroll data will be still less minor compared to what we've got even on last time. So that's just my 2 cents on the current view on these numbers, how they will be important. So from the technical point of view, guys, as you can see, market has completed all minor minimum targets. So as you can see, as market has exceeded this top, and yes, this also has exceeded that top, and this grabber minimum target has been completed, and that minor grabber minimum target also has been completed. Why we still think that market could show some spike up, although we still do not know whether it will be the stable action, true breakout, or it will be just some spike on the volatility before the numbers, or the first reaction on the numbers. So you know how this usually happens. Why we think that this probably could happen? Mostly based on the 4-hour time frame chart picture, because we still based our analysis on our APC bottom pattern. As you can see here, we clearly see the thrusting action, expansion of the market, and contraction, the retracement action. As you can see, it's gradual speed. This leg and that leg is different. So the major reason why we think that market should continue to move higher, and at least will reach a 135.80 area approximately, because market already stands above the 618 target, and it stands closer to the 100% rather than to the 618. And it means that when the market stands already between the targets, whatever action will happen whether market really has intention to return down or some data will be released, it probably in one or other manner should test and touch this target. That's why we think that whatever reason will be, some spike probably should happen here. That's our view on the EUR currency right now. Also, guys, we have some indirect confirmation of our thoughts. So if you'll take a look at the daily Japanese yen chart, you will see the signs of the bearish dynamic pressure is forming on the Japanese yen, and it's really could be relative confirmation of those that we are expecting here. So that's probably all that we could say. On the hourly chart, guys, there's really nothing to comment. After the breakout of this top, market has reached the 1618 extension of this most recent retracement down. Now it stands some retracement. I don't know, hardly you were able to take the position yesterday on this action. I suspect that this, guys, was the closing of the short positions. So traders closed shorts at the eve of the non-farm payrolls data, because this very gradual action without no retracement, and this really reminds the closing of the shorts before important data release. So this is the first retracement where you were able to take the long position. So if you have done this, well, let's see what really will happen next. As we said, market should not show too deep retracements here, because market right now stands in extension mode. It stands between the targets. It stands not at the resistance and not at overbought on the daily chart. So it has no significant barriers. It hasn't reached any significant targets. That's why any retracement should be probably small until market will reach this target. So I'm not sure that we even will get some kind of a bit deeper to 1350 maybe area. Hardly this will happen. So that's all that we could say right now. Let's see what data we will get, and let's see what reaction will happen on these numbers.